We about to lose.
How's it going? This is Leatherface.
What you mean we about to lose?
I'm ass.
Yeah, we know.
Oh, damn.
I scratched a sore spot on the side
Yeah,
of
but
my
they
nose.
got Pat and
Blood started
Steve.
pouring out of that bitch.
Let's get
They got
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I
that's
just gotta
crazy.
go.
Oh,
Look,
Christian
look,
Rick definitely stabbing
I
your
just
ass.
gotta go.
Let's
I
get
just
it.
gotta go around in
Let's get
bushes,
it.
and I know I'll get at least one of them. But that's it.
Steve probably gonna lag out half fucking way through the game.
Until she comes home.
Oh,
Oh
shit.
my
This
god.
This isn't a
Oh my
shit.
God,
This ain't good. This ain't good. Oh shit. Already down one.
This nigga Steve be lagging out his own game. I'm gonna need another one, Loki, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Stay strapped up.
Well, it's already taken a turn for the worse, so.
Nah, nigga, we good. We got this shit. That don't even mean shit. These niggas ass, nigga. You worried about these niggas?
What the fuck? I'm about to put a 1-star review on this hotel because they Wi-Fi ass.
Nigga, you should have been said that shit a long time ago.
Bruh, this shit says wireless strength 100%. Goddamn packet loss 0%. The stats are fucking incredible if you ask me.
Watch this shit.
Yeah, I guess.
Nah, I already know. I already know. Watch this.
Prank him, John.
Bitch ass nigga!
You're the one that let her talk to you yesterday, talking about she ain't your friend.
Nah, you look like you crazy, man. On my life.
Hi, baby.
Get away from me!
Oh my god.
No,
Like-
come here. I wanna talk to you.
Right, so you just got a stranger in your car, nigga?
I like the way your
I'm
jungle
good.
boots smell about low and
That's
clones.
really what she was saying.
catching me?
Huh? So big talk coming from you, Steve. You ain't even in the game.
I can't tell if you were trying to kill me or if you were just trying to fuck with me. Like,
Why not both?
Oh.
See if you can't go down the stairs and shut the valve back off.
Yeah, nigga. What are you doing? Mm-hmm. Master God.
Master God crazy.
I got sold.
Dumbass.
Oh my goodness gracious.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Started whooping my ass.
Where you go?
Nigga started whooping my ass.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Hey, Kiyosh, come
I
on.
thought you about that life. What happened? I'm a catchy boy. Just you wait. Stupid. I know you was okay.
Fuck.
Xbox took my lightning. Fuck that.
Alright, Rogue, I'm fuck with you.
No, that's not what I
Alright, bro.
wanted.
It's been real. I'll see you later.
Dude, dip god.
Smack the fuck out of him. Smack his ass.
Fuck, I fucking...
No, sorry.
Did it-
Jesus.
No, my fucking controller
Oh.
froze.
Ah, no way. God damn.
Ashy.
Oh damn, I hear that nigga dying.
Uh-oh.
Got it.
Uh-oh.
Almost
Here
got
come
it.
the other one.
Where the fuck he at?
Damn.
Get that
Right
bush
here.
on the right.
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Let's go.
All that Pat estate? Oh, y'all.
Why does it,
I'm
why when you're by
definitely
the gate, it doesn't make it hard for you to fucking move?
I'm gonna let it slide. Steve finna lag out again.
Ugh.
Ain't finna get off
Yo,
Xbox.
bro, stop jinxing me, dude.
We already
It's supposed to
know.
be his boy.
We can't help it, your internet's ass.
And me being his homie is me being real, nigga. Shit, he's about to lag the fuck
I
out.
ain't taking shit until I'm upside down, nigga.
That nigga said he spawned in his character T-pose and shit.
Bro, my character is just crouched down in a different location of the map. Just looking at nigga.
What side of him?
I don't know, somebody near me though.
By Leland.
Who near me? Oh yeah, you near me. Bet. I need you, cuz.
Where you at?
Alright. I need you, OG.
God damn it. No. Fuck, my batteries are low.
This nigga hold me. This nigga bitch ass nigga hold me. I'm gonna die. That shit scary as a motherfucker. That shit scary as a bitch.
I see y'all like them pics, huh? Easy. I saw your head, nigga. You the one that showed me that spot, bitch. I know about that.
Oh fuck, I did.
No.
I'm
Think
done.
you fucking
Pat.
slick. Come on, Logan. I'm trying to be friends.
Yeah, okay, you stop hitting me?
I'll stop hitting you when you don't need to be hit anymore.
Alright, so let me see what everybody else to right now. That nigga Logie running for his life.
I'm fucking
All
dead.
right.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
That nigga Pat in the middle of picking something. He might gonna fuck around and break his pick.
Hi.
That nigga Steve getting
Hey, boy. Steve, stop running from me.
Get that motherfucker.
Hey,
Get that motherfucker.
This nigga
Get
Steve.
that motherfucker.
Oh.
Fuck!
Come on, crawl
This
through.
nigga
I
something.
bet you are.
Oh no.
Oh damn.
I'm being grandpa. Get ready to scream again, old man. I hope your throat gets lubed up with this shit. Yeah, nice and wet. Yeah,
Oh,
you like
shit.
it sloppy. Oh, there wasn't enough.
Hey, who hitchhiker?
You oughta have
Who
Steve just ran up to the
hitchhiker?
storage.
Who hitchhiker? Who hitchhiker? Open that door. Come back, open the door.
You made it?
No, yes, he ran it. He ran it the crack. I'm stitching.
Fuck you,
Pat.
shit. Fuck off.
He in Leatherface's lair. Go through that crack. Go through the crack. You'll see.
Oh.
I hate you.
He in Leatherface's lair.
I hate you.
Damn, that nigga's still in the basement. He asked.
Where you going? Slam no doors on me, bitch.
Oh, that nigga Pat ain't got no stamina. It's all with.
No, it's not.
Beating his ass.
Nigga going.
Beating his ass.
Where you nigga going? Where you nigga going?
Bitch. Yeah, his character got a lot of health though. I ain't gonna lie. She got a shit ton of health. Hey Pat, what you doing in the South Well duct, man? What you doing in the
I fucking hate you.
Now the E cell.
Not
Back
in
in
the
the
East
East
Cell. Oh shit, the East Cell look kinda cool. Oh shit. This
Tour
is what the
back in the
furnace room
furnace
looks like. Oh, okay.
I hate you.
Hey, look,
I
just
actually hate
ran
you.
through the little bones. That nigga, he by the
Workshop.
bones that you just ran through. Yeah, you right there at the workshop. Yeah, he at the workshop. There he is, you know?
Oh shit! No!
Oh, he about to die. He about to die. He about to
All right,
die.
yeah, get that pussy.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry ass nigga. That shit she was talking. Bum? Game on your own next time, pussy.
Hey, Steve, what you doing up there?
Ain't no way. Ain't no way they
Oh, hey,
can
Steve,
like
what's up?
that.
He went down the ladder.
I ain't
He went down the ladder.
say shit. He just dropped that bitch now. He don't even got it no more. Oh, that's crazy as fuck.
I walked right past him, huh?
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I just seen that nigga through the crack. Hey, Sonny, what's up?
Oh, for real.
Oh, shit.
Oh, so which side you going though? Which side you going though? Huh? Which side you going though? Get them back! Oh yeah!
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah!
Anybody want some dark meat? I don't look like your kind around here.
Why'd you kidnap me?
For food.
You said I was holding you up.
Alright, somebody just sold, but I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say who it was. But one of the killers just sold.
Couldn't have been
Follow
me.
me.
Let me guess. Somebody didn't lock the door.
Somebody opened the door, looked dead at my ass, went back in that bitch and locked the door.
It was me.
Well,
Oh my gosh.
Niggas, I'm finna die. I'm finna die. I'm
Get the
finna
fuck
die.
out
I'm
of
with this nigga, bro.
I almost peed on myself. Nigga, you scared the fuck out of me. Like, one on camping upstairs, yo.
Oh, hell
One
nah,
on camping
bro.
upstairs.
Oh, hell no, bro. We
One
finna
on
die.
camping upstairs.
We finna die. If y'all don't get y'all ass on some little juice. Why I got on this light blue ass shirt?
Hey,
I'm
hey,
telling
hey,
you, I'm not choosing this shit.
Hey, the Duke Steve. That's all I gotta say.
So what's the plan, dude? Bitch ass nigga!
I see them running. One ran upstairs.
yeah, I just saw Leland. You looking for my fuse, little boy?
Get away from my family.
You wouldn't happen to be in here, would you? You're lucky I'm caught in the animation, motherfucker.
Oh, goddamn it, no.
Hey, little feller, how's it going? Come here. Don't run from Jesus. Don't run from the Lord.
Oh shit. Oh
I hit
shit.
the fuck out of that boy on the way down. He might be slump booty. I'm not 100%. But I know that fucking hurts. Come here, bitch. I know where that well leads, motherfucker. Get the ass down here and it's curtains for you.
Hey,
Oh
guys,
shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh fuck. That scared the shit out of me.
Stupid.
I
no,
see
you
that
did.
blood pile on that door,
Dude, no, you
motherfucker.
fucking did. Oh shit.
Shit!
Fucking out the
That nigga
window.
free falling and shit. Hey,
Look,
motherfucker!
I'm
This
dead.
nigga-
I'm dead,
this
bro.
nigga
I'm
finna
dead.
take-
Let me live.
Bro, this thing, it's a 2,000 frame startup to get the fuck back up.
That ass. Ah, that one's still here.
Oh, turn that
When
generator
you're done
off.
feeding Pappy, let me know.
you know, it's your boy.
My nigga Logan clutch.
Just
So go check the generator quick. Yeah, on the road. Or they're out back. I don't know if it was a generator or the battery.
No, Loki's right here. Fuck.
No, I'm not.
Oh, fuck.
Son of a bitch! Come here, motherfucker!
Oh, I'm off the perk.
Come
I'm
here,
off
you
the
skinny white man.
I'm off the lane. I'm off the lane. I'm off the lane. I'm off the shit. Bitch ass
Out,
nigga back there. Where
out front, turn around, get Leland, turn around, get Leland, turn around, get Leland.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Leland,
no,
but
no, you ain't. No, please, bro. I'm about to die. RP me.
Get that motherfucker.
I'm dead. RP to go. Help.
Get his
You're
black
a hoe.
ass.
You're a hoe, bro. You're a hoe.
I was trying to get freaking Loki though.
Shit.
I'm screaming for help. This nigga ain't even help.
I don't got nothing.
Dog,
I
this
thought.
nigga is on the whole other side of the map. If I was Julie, I would have.
Subscribe to
If I
Loki
was
Vlogs.
Julie. If oh wait, oh Pat might got a brain. Pat might have a brain.
One. Please, come on.
There, are you gonna do it again?
Yeah, he turning the battery off right now, y'all. I hope y'all know that.
I'm already on my way.
Go, what are you doing? Run. You better tell.
Nigga, he about to.
You're gonna break it.
He broke it. He broke his
No.
thing. You
Oh my
sold.
God,
broke
bad.
it.
Nigga's trash.
Hey, little feller. How's it going? How you doing? How's the family? Jump over that bitch. I bet you fucking won't. Come on. Come on. I bet you won't, little motherfucker. Come on. Somebody come out back. I bet you won't jump over that shit. I put that on 7 and 6 and I and all that bullshit on BD.
Run down the pathway, run down the driveway.
Come here, you little son of a bitch.
It's over.
Get the fuck
It's
over here.
It's over. Oh shit.
You ain't getting away. I done told you that. If 2 trillion dies, you die too, motherfucker. And that's the law.
I am
Y'all seen this nigga Rogue teabagging this?
Goddamn right.
Soul Survivor. Y'all can't even fuck with me.
If I didn't break my pick, I'd be gone, man.
Nigga, you ass.
You
I
have
was looking to survive an hour. My
choked.
You should have just went the other way.
So
You
bad.
choked on my life. You choked.
like a motherfucker. Your ass dumb.
Nigga he was on the whole other side of the map. Yeah, he was on the whole other side of the map by himself, nigga, and still took.
Yeah, when you said that, I
Yeah,
figured
we
you
had
were
the time to run all the way down. I chased Logie off the map, ran all the way back, cut the generator back on, and then caught up to Pat taking the lock.